Welcome to High Achievers channel. My name is Perpetual Peter-OGU. Are you wondering how to make money with no job in this inflationary time? Inflation can be challenging. Prices go up, cost of living increases, and the salary most often remains virtually the same and might not keep up. This is why it has become more important than ever that you find alternative ways to make money. First, I want us to understand that inflation has been a persistent aspect of human history. It is interwoven in our economic existence throughout ages. Biblical stories tells us that Abraham and Isaac experienced famine. That is inflation. There are many causes of inflation: government policies, unproductivity, increase in production costs, corruption, and misappropriation of public funds. Whatever may be the cause, the most important question is, how do you make money to meet your financial needs in this inflationary environment? In this video series, we will discuss a variety of methods to make money with or without a traditional job, from freelancing and online gigs to passive income and investing. There are many opportunities out there, and the best part is it will cost you little to nothing to get started. So, whether you are unemployed, underemployed, seeking a side hustle, or you just want to boost your income, I've got you covered. Here is a quick look at what we will be covering in this video series. The first one is freelancing. We will learn how to turn our skills to cash by doing projects for people all over the world. Number two is online gigs. We will explore platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork to discover high-paying tasks. The third one is selling products online. We will dive into the e-commerce world to discover how to make money selling products, from handmade crafts to drop shipping. The fourth one is investing. We will learn how to make our money work for us through stock, cryptocurrency, and real estate. And the fifth one, the last but not the least, and my favorite, is passive income. We'll learn how to use content creation, affiliate marketing, and many more to make money while we sleep. We will break down each of these methods step by step, share tips and tricks, and hear from people who have been making money using these strategies. So stick around as we embark on this journey. We end this video. Here is a cap-up of what we discussed. Again, the question is, how do you make money with no job in an inflationary environment? We have identified the following 5 ways of making money with or without a job. Number 1 is freelancing. 2, online gigs. 3, selling products online. 4 is investing. And 5 is passive income. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family and anyone who might find it helpful. Make your comment below and feel free to ask questions or even suggest topics that you will want us to cover. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you will not miss out in any of our upcoming videos. Thank you again for watching. Let us together navigate this inflationary environment. I am hopeful that as we go through this journey, we will become financially independent. Thank you again for watching. See you in the next video.